Okay, we have it here. 5 to the 0, a to the 4th, b cubed over c over 16, a to the negative 6, b, c to the 5th. Okay? So actually here we are given, simple now, we simplify this stuff. Okay, ang pinaka first thing is we simplify first the denominator, the terms inside before we raise it to a certain exponent. Okay, so what shall we do then? Well, we have 5 to the 0 is simply 1, so mawala lang na siya. A to the 4th. And take note na kay a to the negative 6 sa ubo, so we'll have here, what? Ibutang to ang 6 sa taas para mahimo siyang a to the 4th times a to the 6, right? If you move up or down, mo change lang ang sign. So negative 6 may mo 6. So we'll have a to the 10, right? Because it's 4 plus 6, that's 10. About b. Well, we have b cubed. O kaning b diri kay b to the 1. Meaning kung wala exponent, 1 ang meaning ana. So we'll have here b squared, right? Because that's what? b3 times b to the negative 1. And sa c, instead nga atong ipasaka ning kuano kaning c diri sa taas may mo negative 5, I think we just bring down the c here kaning c to the 1. Ato lang siya ipaubos daan para we will have c to the 5 times c to the negative 1, which we will not have. Di mo ta ganahan gud natin negative exponent in this problem. So we'll have here c to the what? 5 times c to the negative 1, that's what? C to the 4, right? And then how about this 16? Well, we try to re-express that 16 in terms of its base. It will be equal to 2 to the I think that's 2 to the 4th. That's 16. Okay, and I think that's it. Okay, of course, so wala pa kita na human, no? But what we have done so far is we have simplified the kanang sulod aning kaning base aning exponent. So next step is if you want to remove the negative sign here, we just simply invert this one. Okay, we invert that by putting 2 to the 4 at the top, c to the 4th, a10, b2, and then you now have 1/2. Okay, nga na lang kadali. Reciprocal nimo siya, inverto nimo ang fraction, then mawala lang ang negative sign. Next will be, you now do the multiplication. Okay? 2 to the 4th to the 1/2. That's simply what? 2 to the 2. C to the 4th to the 1/2. That's simply 4 times 1/2 is 2. 10 to the 1/2. That's 8 to the 5. Then we'll have B. Okay? All in all, the answer will go, of course, we can 2 squared is actually 4, so we can write that as 4c squared a to the 5th b. And more or less, this is our final answer. We don't no longer have 0 exponent, natanggal na nato ang 0, right? And we have removed the negative exponent, this negative 6 and this negative 1/2. Okay? That's how simple things work. Thank you.